Uskabusio mwancho mwaligaria sorobo tibono lokubwate kana chisemi maega YOKORIKIA emini ye hisano na ibiro nukta kianda eskuria sekondari ya Nyaikuro asamatemu amane na Kcse omwaka oyeta niko tukoria rero yarigania umoiga bukubwatoka ebiye bwo guchia sabor kwa bari banyarite koba bakobeka omokia na gokoria buyase ba bodrie abaibori bagendera no mokia bukubwatesia aborokia bunenjere mu yo guchia kugendera gukinya ebirengo byeskuru yigoro.
Under the guidance of our God, our living God. You know what happened this duration from May, April, up to recently, even 3 days ago. We've had down, and but our school we prayed, we asked the guidance from God. We invited guests like the one who preached today. They talked to these students. Until now, you are going with them when they are okay.
Of 7.9. Now, in terms of ranking, it was number 9 out of 191. See you, Sawa. I want to thank this institution very, very much. Last month, we had a lot of issues with the schools around in Kcse County, particularly on the issue of fire. And you are aware that most of our schools were affected. It's only Nyaikuro Secondary School that was not affected. Can you clap for this school, please? This means a lot of discipline in this institution, and I want to thank the principal and the deputy and the teachers for having instilled discipline in our students. They're quite disciplined, and we are aware that you are with the best principal who is always available, principal who is actually approachable, and that's why this school is today.
Okay, boys, if you are picked your envelope, kindly get seated. Our continuing student now, our from 4 Kcse last year, that's this Pareto Moria and the Peki.